Hey, Justin, you're a master plumber here in Frisco, Texas, right?
Yes.
All right, so I have a question for you. Why does my toilet randomly make noise even when no one's using it?
So that could be due to what is called the flush valve here, or it could be due to the flapper. Could be getting warped on the flapper, in which case you just need to replace the flapper. But 9 times out of 10, there's this other gasket here. This gasket will get cracks in it. We call it sea urchining because this starts to come out and looking like a little sea urchin coming out from underneath your flush valve. This will allow water to seep past it and it'll go directly down your toilet and you'll never see it or hear it leaking because it's just going straight out of your toilet, straight down your sewer, and you never see it happening.